Wait, where are we supposed to trade our NFTs now?
Come here, I'll show you something.
Meet Digital Dynamix NFT Marketplace. Buy and sell NFTs built exclusively for Digital Dynamix. A seamless, mobile-friendly experience designed for fast and easy trading. Earn XP on every transaction and level up as you go. The higher your level, the more you earn back in DYNMX. A portion of fees flows into the royalty vault, unlockable with 1 million DYNMX. And monthly FLR rewards are distributed to dedicated holders. Trade, level up, earn. NFT Marketplace on Flare Network.